Alright, so this PowerPoint is going to cover diarrheal disease, and members include myself, Anna Gladwell, Ashley Porter, and Jeremy Potter. Alright, so what is diarrheal disease? Well, diarrheal disease is a collection of diseases of bacterial, viral, and parasitic origin that leads to severe dehydration through the inhibition of the body's small and large intestine to absorb water. Basically, this disease, no matter what the origin is, will attack the small and large intestine, and the body can't absorb any water, so the body is severely dehydrated and eventually leads to people unfortunately dying. Each year, about 1.6 million people die of these related illnesses. And the sad truth is that, well, I guess the good truth is that these diseases can almost always be preventable, and they're treatable. But sadly, it's such a leading cause of death because there's a lack of resources, including vaccines and treatment options, and there's also a lack of education in the places where these diseases are common about healthy, clean habits. So in looking at who is most at risk, it is mostly those under 5 years old and those above 7 years old, located in either the sub-Saharan Africa or South Asia. These places are most common for diarrheal disease because they're underdeveloped in a lot of cases and they lack clean water, and that's the biggest problem in getting these diseases, lack of clean water. If you look at the chart here, it is good news that we're seeing a decrease in diarrheal-related deaths in all age groups, but it's still the under 5 years old and above 70-year-old populations that experience the highest death rates. So in looking at who, there are different forms of diarrheal-related diseases. The first one we're going to talk about is the rotavirus. So this is a viral origin, and it most often affects children. The other one is a bacterial strain, pronounced Shigella, and this one most often affects the adults, so that 70 plus age group category. And I think, like I alluded to earlier, most often these viruses and bacteria are transmitted through unclean drinking water. So if we look over to this picture to the right, this will kind of talk about how the water supply is affected. So if you start up at that top left corner, it says sick people are without proper sanitation facilities. They will defecate in or near a water source. And then farmers can use some of this water to irrigate their crops, which will infect the crops. Then families will eat and drink these contaminated foods with, or maybe also some of the water that's been infected. Other ways that families can be infected is through animals that may have the viruses or bacteria, and the water gets back to the family through either food or drinking that contaminated water. Or also caregivers may be changing sick baby's diaper that might contaminate their hands, and then maybe that person goes on later to prepare the food. So in this case, something as simple as hand washing could definitely help stop the spread, but it's that lack of education and the lack of available resources in these underdeveloped parts of the world that really lead to the spread of this problem. So this slide is very important when it comes to prevention and treatment. So we're talking about how we manage those who don't yet have diarrheal disease, as well as those who have contracted diarrheal disease of different kinds. So first off, very important is vaccines to keep people from getting it, and antibiotics to treat some of the people who have a bacterial strain of this disease. We also want to increase access to sanitary water in these third world countries that don't have clean water supplies. Once someone is being dehydrated as a result of the disease, we're going to want to put them on an oral rehydration therapy, which is more or less just water mixed with a variety of salts and sugar solutions, which will help to rehydrate them. And they will also take some zinc tablets, which will help to decrease the amount of time that they will be dehydrated for. topic question that we wanted to look at was, while there are cheap, effective treatments for diarrheal disease, why has data shown a recent increase in deaths due to diarrheal disease, especially in those 70 or older? Here we're going to be talking about some data and the conclusion that we were able to draw about our question. So, some data and research show that there has been a recent decrease in access to sanitary water in some of these third world countries. And there's also been an increase in the number of adults over 70 years old becoming sick by the Shigella bacteria. So, some important things to note again are that children are most often impacted by the rotavirus, which does have a vaccine available, and thus we can attribute maybe some of the decrease in deaths in children to the spread of this vaccine. Whereas the Shigella bacteria, on the other hand, does not have a vaccine available, and thus it's not being prevented as efficiently. So our conclusion that we drew was that these two factors, coupled with other statistics such as location, health status, and access to medical treatment, will play a direct role in the rise of deaths seen in people aged 70